Oh shit. Babe! That's our new kitten, and the baby loves it. It's about 6 weeks old. I already put the other video on YouTube of him, so I deleted it. He's like, hey, where the frick did it go? Look!
Behind you!
Look!
You gotta be careful, he thinks it's a toy, not... Once she goes back there, you're not getting her out. He wants to bite her.
He wants to
Or him.
I think it's a boy. I can't tell. Not yet.
Stop recording.